No, it was early this morning I got the news. And the first thing I screamed out, Lord have mercy. Because I really can't believe say Pinky gone like that. Really sad. It shook up everybody. This morning I heard somebody voice note me and say, Auntie Cheryl, you know Pinky dead? Really sad. Sad bad. She quiet. She not in on a mischief, nothing at all. You know, high school children going like that, but nothing like that. Always smiling. Pinky, where the baby? She up there with Erica. She not fight, she not quarrel with nobody, nothing at all. She ever smile. If you say something to her, she just smile and walk down the yard, do what you tell her to do. I know Pinky that. She not deserve this at all. It just sad, me not lie. Sad, bad. Just sad.
Jovial, easygoing, friendly, helpful. She was just a cheerful person. You will never be around her and there will be a sad moment. Even in her time when she even upset, once you say something, she'll just find a way out to get over it and just start to be jovial. Always trying to give some joke or dancing or something. So she was a cheerful person.
Yes, and my friend, sister, my good friend, sister, are people who I'm used to, I'm there around. Yes, this is where she lives, you know. This is her yard, you know. This is where she lives. She always hears her 24/7. And she go up there, and everything just went zero from there. It's very sad, heartbroken. It shook up everybody. Everybody hurt about it. Everybody. All over social media, because she was a very social media person. She was very friendly, always smiling, very jovial. I loved her son dearly, and it's so sad. I'm going to grow up without his mother.